Welcome to our Paella channel. I'm Jay, and today we're cooking the pork ribs and sausage paella. The ingredients for the pork ribs and sausage paella are pork sausage, pork ribs, paella rice, chopped tomatoes, onion and garlic, and beef stock. We're also gonna add a bit of broccoli. Let's get on with the ribs and sausage paella. First, let's add the ribs. iWantPaella.eu, where not only we have a paella blog, but we also sell paella pans, paella burners, spices, beer, wine, and much more. So don't miss out and come visit us at iWantPaella.eu. Let's add the sausages. Let's leave those sausages cooking for a bit. Let's add the onion and the garlic. Let's add the chopped tomatoes. Okay. Gonna take this opportunity to add half a teaspoon of paprika. Let's add the remainder of the paella mix that we have from the previous paella. This one we sell. Our website, iWantPaella.eu. Alright. Let's mix all that in. Let's add our paella rice. 300 grams because we're making 3 portions. We're gonna add 900 milliliters of pork stock. Okay, slowly. Approximately like while that boils, let's add some saffron threads that we have available at our store, iWantPaella.eu. You just open it like this. There you go. You see them, and now we're gonna add them to our paella. We're going to take this opportunity also to add our broccoli. Let's add a bit of salt. Let's try the rice for the first time with a clean spoon. Let's see. Okay, that rice is around 50% at the moment, so it's gonna take a while. paella is boiling, so I'm gonna reduce the paella butter at 50%. That's 50%, and as usual, I'm gonna give it a bit of a shake. Let's try the rice for the second time with a clean spoon in a different place. That rice is around 70%, so now we're going to reduce it to that 30% to finish that rice off. Let's give it another shake. Let's try the rice for the third time with a clean spoon in a different place. Okay guys, that rice is around 80%. I like to leave it for at least 85-90%, and then we'll take it off and bring it to our kitchen. Okay, I'm shutting off the paella burner now. I'm gonna give it the last shake, and then I'm gonna bring it to our counter. Okay guys, here's our pork ribs and sausage paella. We're gonna serve it on our plate now so that you can see what it would look like if you were about to eat it. Okay guys, let's serve this pork rib and sausage paella. Alright. Some sausage. Some broccoli. There you have it, a proper pork and sausage paella. Don't forget that you can get all the equipment and all the ingredients and all the recipes that you need to make a great paella at iwantpaella.eu. Thank you and see you soon.